Morning everyone, welcome to Crooked Mustache on a rather chilly Friday morning. What we're actually going to be doing today is we're actually unboxing and installing these Z23 Powerstop brakes. Powerstop brakes that I got from Advanced Auto Parts. So the reason I got them is because these are an all-inclusive kit. This is your rotors, which are drilled and slotted for that extra bling behind the wheel, and of course the performance benefits that come along with it. And also these will actually match up with the ceramic brake pads that come with them. This is an all-inclusive kit. You buy the box for either the front or the back, or you can buy it as a whole set. So that's another option. So now this is the first half. We're going to do the second half in another episode. Let's dive into the box and see exactly what comes in this thing. We're going to start with a standard knife. Okay. So you get some packaging, and it's literally just two boxes inside the box. So what you get is you get Powerstop's Evolution Sport brake pads. This is what comes in the box. Definitely nicer packaging. So here it claims your 40 aggressive decelerations, 40 to 10, 35 to 5. Not sure exactly what this is, but so my apologies for not actually showing this properly on screen. That's why I've gone ahead and pulled up their website to show you the break-in instructions that are listed on the box. Now the TLDR is very simple. There are two stages to your break-in. They want you to make 5 moderate to aggressive stops from 40 miles an hour down to 10 miles an hour without coming down to a complete stop. And then the second stage is 5 moderate stops from 35 miles per hour to 5 miles per hour. This is to make sure that your pads seat and bed properly on the rotors to ensure the best performance and longevity of your brand new brakes. What this is, but we'll move on. I'm going to pick that up. Okay, and then inside you've got, wow, a very complete kit. All the retaining clips. It even includes its own lubricant for the brake pads and your brake pads themselves, which come, there we go. So you've got both sets, or you have each pair, left and right. So that comes all ready to go. And actually I had bought some additional lubricant, which it looks like I might not need, since this actually comes in the box. So then, okay, I thought these were separate boxes. Okay, this is heavier than I expected. The UPS guy hands it to me. I just happen to be at the front, and he's like, oh, it's got a little bit of heft to it. Then the guy was like, yeah, this guy ain't gonna be able to pick it up. So here we go, carefully making sure I don't score my own brake rotors. Okay. And of course, I mean, we're unboxing rotors. Everyone has seen brake rotors, but these look pretty sweet. So in here we've got the actual Powerstop rotor. Now off the top of my head, I'm actually looking, so the stock ones are vented, but these are much bigger, or the vents look bigger. And of course, I mean, you can't beat that bling. I found out actually through several sources that originally this wasn't started because of performance benefits. This was actually started just because you got nice wheels on your car, or wheels that actually show the brake rotor, and there's just a plain disc of metal. So that's why they actually went with this. And then they found out afterwards that that cross drilling and slotting actually helps the heat cycling and the stresses of the brakes. So something that was cosmetic before it was performance. Alrighty, so left and right doesn't really matter which direction, so we're going to clean them off. And actually, didn't notice that they actually do matter. So this is the passenger side. So I guess it's kind of the saw blade effect. They are directional. Glad I noticed that. So I'm sure that just putting on these rotors, it's going to be an improvement, but we'll be able to see in terms of highway braking, things like that, what benefits we actually feel. Personally, I just think they're going to look better, and considering they're roughly the same price as replacing them with stock parts, if I do see a performance improvement, I say that's a win-win. So we're going to cut to Here's the new brake versus the old brake. And I'm already starting to feel a ridge on the edge, front and back. Both vented. This is gonna look a lot better on the wheel. Alright guys, well that about wraps it up. We've got the brakes on both sides done, and it was an upgrade from stock rotors and pads. Frankly, I think that behind the wheels they look great. That it's, I mean, considering it's not that much of a price premium to have really badass looking brakes behind your wheels. So guys, this is just another one of the things we do here on Crooked Mustache. There's a lot of DIY along with our car reviews, which are going to continue coming. So please stay subscribed for that one. I'm really looking forward to it. If you like this video, like it. And as always everyone, I'm Alfred for Crooked Mustache. Thank you for watching.